the most of it.
Alright, sige. Dahil speaking of kumusta, kinumusta kita, ayan. Isa sa mga naging projects ni RC the past days, no? Yung kumusta, yung fusion niya sa Korea. So how was it, RC?
I'm just really grateful sa pagtanggap po ng mga tao sa Kamusta. And, well, we shot it last year of October in Korea. I saw MJ there. It was such an amazing experience. And I had fun doing all these things in the kitchen, having a restaurant. That's really my dream. Though I have a yakiniku restaurant, Yoshimitsu. It's in Green Hills, but really I love to cook. The kitchen is my happy place, and syempre makasama ko pa yung mga special na tao there in a special country, in my special place. So yeah, it's just really unforgettable. And we already created a bond, so like Ate Jody, sila Opa, sila Ji Changwook, we still keep in touch every now and then. We say, we make kamusta sa isa't isa. Though I know Opa is a really busy man, and I was just there in Korea last week, and it was his birthday, but I also celebrated another friend's birthday there. So yun, I appreciate every time he responds kasi nga, nahiya nga ako sometimes. I think, oo nga naman, baka naman, hindi ako masyadong naging considerate because I know he's really busy. But yeah, the reception of the people, I really love because they keep tagging me, especially with that one scene na hinampas ka sa ulo si JP. May lamok talaga yun, guys, sa pag-zinom niya yun.
Nakita naman siya.
Nakita ba?
Oo.
Kasi sabi ng ate ko wala daw. Sabi ko may lamok nga. Sabi ko,
may grills kasi na naka-zoom. So may
oo.
lumipad.
Hindi rin siya makakalipad kasi malagkit na yung ulo ni Chef. Kasi nga, syempre, buong araw na kami nasa kusina, nagluluto, di ba? Yeah. So yeah, I'm so grateful with the reception of the people, not only here in the Philippines, but it's like across Asia. So everybody's tagging me now. I have like followers probably somewhere in Thailand. So yun, it's because of the lamok. I should thank the lamok.
So palakpakan natin
Salamat sa lamok, and syempre sa pagiging cool and chill nila Chef JP.
Yes. Tsaka yung situation ay parang nag-emote-emote pa si
Oo, diba? Yeah, nag-emote si Janela. Tapos nasira ako, di ba? Parang pagdating ko dun kasi, in my head, this is really what I want to do in life. Na parang I'm just gonna enjoy it. Imagine, I wake up every single day and I'm in Korea and then doing the thing that I love most, cooking. Parang sabi ko, I cherish every single day na nandun ako. And ayun, pinagluto ko silang kimchigang. Kasi talagang ginagawa ko talaga yun in the house. So yun, very unforgettable experience. So,
yes.
Abangan nyo na lang kung may season 2. Sabi ni Ate Lynn. Ate Lynn, season 2 daw.
Still available on View?
Yes, available on View. So for those of you who was not able to catch it on TV5, it's still on View.
Ayan, syempre, from that reality show, tatalo naman tayo ngayon sa hosting. O diba? Start anywhere talaga itong RC Munoz. Ang hosting naman niya sa Singing Lodi with Empoy. So ayan, kamusta? Ayan, yung lumalabas din sa ating screen.
Oo nga, hindi ko nga
kamusta naman ikaw dito sa proyektong ito?
Hindi ko pa nga nakikita. Actually, nung in-offer nila to sa akin, I was like one of the judges when they asked me to do it. Sabi ko, huy, baka mabash ako, hindi ako singer. Sabi ko, rock song yung ko, di ba? Yung mga pondo ko. Sabi ko talaga, gusto ko mag-host. So if they're still willing to get me sa show, mas gusto ko i-try naman yung hosting. And I had so much fun doing it. Siyempre kasama ko si Empoy, di ba? So, we went to Jensan, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao to eh.
So nationwide siya?
It's nationwide. Ito rin yung Singing Lodi, siya rin na ang pumalit sa Kumusta, but still with
okay.
With TV5. So, yun, tuloy-tuloy talaga. Hindi ko nga alam eh. Kaya please help us also not to spread the word that it's already on TV5 at 11 a.m. Yan, so yun. Kaya lagi ko kasama si Empoy, baka kasi nagtataka kayo na baka nagde-date kami. Hindi kami nagde-date. Lagi ko lang kasama talaga yung mga project namin talaga together right now. So, we have so many plans, including movies with Cornerstone. Yan. So, ayun, singing contest naman, hosting, something different, but I
Yes.
really did enjoy.
Tama. Kasi ang grabe yung tawid, di
Hindi,
ba?
may kasama rin kasi ng traveling eh. So,
Yes, oo.
we discover new idols, new singers, and I'm with the best people as well. I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed na ang mga kasama ko talaga sa trabaho ko ay magbabait, talagang mga professional. Ako lang ata yung baliw.
Yes, you guys enjoy, of course, di ba, while doing the job.
So much. That's why I feel so blessed. Alam mo, this past few months, kahit na sobrang siguro 4 na oras lang yung tulog ko ng isang buwan na. Hindi, I mean, every day, parang sabi ko, alam ma, totoo ata yun kapag tumatanda ka, umiiksi yung tulog mo. Sabi ko, kasi may explanation daw dun eh. Parang because you feel that, you know, dumadagdag yung age, parang nalalaw mo daw na short na lang daw yung time mo sa earth. Kaya parang, talaga nag-explain dito kasi wala siyang sabi ng mom ko yun na parang, kaya daw gusto mo talagang, kumbaga, make the most of your time. I-maximize, oo. So yun, sabi ko, hapon kasi kausap ko si Austin, be, mag-voice message lang ako kasi hindi ko na mabuksan yung mata ko kasi nga nasa Sigabo ako kagabi. Nagtitaping kami, MWF, TTHS may business din. Tapos, TTHS kami ni Empoy sa Singing Lodi. Sabi ko,
Tama.
4 na oras, 3 oras, everyday, gano'n. So, wala, nasanay na lang din. Lalo na nasa Europe ako, hindi talaga ako natutulog.
Tama naman.
Kasi jet lag, hindi.
Oo,
Tapos
diba?
work eh. Siyempre, different countries. Tapos mag-show kami ni Piolo. So, from Ireland, nung nag-Dublin show kami for the Filipino community there, siyempre, we were just still adjusting. So, wala talagang sleep. And then, tumawid ako ng Spain kasi I just got my Spanish passport. So, I just really want to visit, di ba, kung saan yung place ng dad ko.
Diba?
And then I went there. Sabi ko sayang kasi I had to spend 1 day in Madrid, 1 in Barcelona, and then go back to Madrid to watch BTS. So, syempre mag-isa lang ako. Girls, mahilig ako mag-solo travel eh. So, ginawa ko, nag-book ako ng mga, yung sa mga, travel, sa club, ganyan. 4 trips, oo, 4 na tour sa isang araw. Ay, pagod na pagod ako. May isang time pa doon na parang may binook ako na, yacht cruise sa Barcelona. After nun, sabi, ay, libre yung Cava, yung parang champagne. Ay, maaga pa. Kasi 9 p.m. daw maliwanag pa. Naghanap ako ng isa pang tour. Ang pwede na lang na tour ng mga 10 p.m. sa Barcelona. Yung, bar hop. Pagdating ko kasama ko mga high school, sabi ko, bakit ba ako nandito? Oh my gosh talaga, pero sobrang na-enjoy. Alam mo to, nag-trend kami, ang dami namin, siguro more than 30 mga high school. Sabi ko, yung mga kasama ko, yung mga bata, mga 19 years old, sabi ko, I'm 19 too. I'm 19.
So, na-adapt mo.
Tapos nag-trend kami, alam mo, hindi kami jump daw kami kung sa ay, hindi ba tayo magbabayad? Wait lang, naku, baka mabalita to. Sabi ko, natanda ako nagbayad ng trend sa Barcelona. Gosh, so yun na.
So, hindi nila na-realize na na artista ka dito sa Pilipinas.
Oo nga eh.
Diba?
So yeah,
diba?
nagdadal ko.
Okay lang yan. It's a good problem anyway. Alam mo, naniniwala naman ako dun sa It Comes with the Age. Pero mas naniniwala ako na marami ka lang talagang ginagawa. At ayan, tumawid na nga, diba? Narinig niyo naman, tumawid pa from Europe, no? Out of that very busy schedule, nabigyan pa ng time with Papa P, diba? Nakapag-show pa kayo doon. At ayan nga, speaking of your tapings, syempre tatawid tayo sa kanyang acting skills naman sa Sigabo. Ayan, nakikita natin siya. So ano naman ang kwento mo dito, RC?
Ito first time ko maging police and syempre paulit-ulit man ako, but I'm really grateful na nabigyan na talaga ako ng opportunity to work with Direk Coco and Julia, of course. She's like my sister. And every day, pag kunwari may taping kami, lagi ko message si Austin, my handler. I'm like, Be, I really enjoyed shooting again. So I miss this so much. My last show, I was also an agent, but not a police woman. I was an agent. Pero that was during the pandemic. Ay, oh my gosh, gano'n na ba katagal yun? Sabi ko, pandemic pa yun. Kami yung unang-unang nag-lock-in eh. Yung walang hanggang paalam. So yun, eto na ulit yun after so many years. Kasi naging busy rin kami, nagtutour, and then I launched my my streaming platform. I did it with with Direk Niel de Mesa. So meron kaming streaming platform, NDM+. So it's like Netflix, 5 years namin yung ginawa. So akala nila, nagta-travel lang ako. Pero nagtatrabaho ako kasi we launched production companies in Japan, in Taipei, and in Singapore. So we have offices there. 5 years kami, content, shoot. And then, one of my dreams talaga is to really have a travel show. So yun, ngayon we have like a couple of countries in Asia that is presented na andun na po, part of the content of ndmplus.com. So now I really want to focus my time with Sigabo. So we shoot MWF. So wala, dami lang nangyari talaga this past few years, and I'm excited to be back on TV. And yun din, ang ganda ng reception din ng tao. I'm Max Jacinto there, that's my character. And sister ako ni Julia. And in real life, I really feel so comfortable being with her. I feel like she's really my little sister. And even Direk Coco, they're all very nice people, everybody on set. That's why I always look forward. Every MWF, I look forward na going to the set, and I really miss acting. Kaya nga medyo minsan kapag artista ka kasi pag nami-miss ko yung umarte, inaarte ako yung sarili ko sa salamin. Oo nga, kasi pa-practice pa rin ako kasi ang daming emotion sa loob ko na kailangan ko talagang ilabas. I guess it's part of being an artist.
Nag-workshop ka alone, parang gano'n.
Oo, totoo nga. Tapos kunwari, may mapapanood ako ng magandang pelikula. Tapos, sasabayan ko yung pag-arte. Pumipick up talaga ako kasi nga sabi ko, gusto ko magkaroon ng ganyang role. And this is one of the roles that I really wanna do, and I'm grateful na na-consider talaga ako nila Direk Coco. So, yeah, it feels like family when I'm on set. Tita Carmi has always been my mom in all of my roles. So yeah, so far so good. I'm having a blast. And
Diba?
yeah.
Napakaganda nakahain at ihahain pa sa ating RC because not only that, di ba? Nag-host, nag-travel, ano pa ba, nag-acting, tapos meron ka pang business on the side, ang Bloomy.
Yes. Oh yeah, that one we're gonna be launching this month. But it's already available sa mga e-commerce. We have it on Shopee, so you can I always post it, and I always post links where you can get it. It's like a skincare routine which I have also been, kumbaga ginagawa ko na siya for this past few years kasi kailangan ko i-develop yung what's gonna work for me. Kasi before I had a breakout. So, yun. And this is like my final product na talaga nag-work for me, and I really hope that it will work sa mga ladies and the girls na also has been having trouble with their skin. So, yun.
Yes, grabe si RC. Diba? At syempre, ayan, bukod doon, in music naman, meron ka din hinahanda.
Yes.
Para sa ating lahat, tama?
Yan, ayoko. And also with my band, since I've been with them for 18 years, and it's about time that we probably launch another song. So we'll be releasing a song, a single this month as well, or this August for the tattoo convention. I don't know if you're familiar, but yeah, it's a tribal ink. It's like the Dutdutan before, and we're always present whenever may ganong events. And yun, 18 years with my band, and yes, please watch out for
So this year, basta this year.
this
yan,
year.
no?
And this August I'm really aiming, but we're on the mixing na po eh. We
process,
did
no?
recording already. So we're with the mixing now, and then yeah, I want to make time for my voice kasi parang sabi ko naiiwan ako ata yung rockstar dreams ko. Sabi ko, and I'm all of this. Sabi ko, kaya, di ba, life is short. And always people say na you only live once. I don't believe that eh. Parang for me, you only die once, but you live every single day. So, parang sabi ko, I'm gonna do what I love most.
Maximize.
Yeah, and lagi naman akong ganun eh. I do what I love, and I love what I do. You know, that's what keeps me still here. Kaya dito pa rin lahat ginagawa. Dami pa rin ginagawa.
Grabe. Palakpakan naman natin si Ars
Wow.
sa lahat ng mga pinresent niya sa atin. But this time, of course, I'd like to give the floor to our friends from the
Yes.
media if you want to ask specific question.
Wag lang daw, ma.
Miss MJ.
Congrats!
Thank you, Mare!
Sorry.
Ay, sarang hair!
Parang buo na nga yung press con sa kwento mo.
Ko-army ko yan eh. O, di ba tumawid ako ng Madrid, mi? Mag-isa lang ako doon.
Kausap ko nga si Cares, manonood daw siya sa LA.
Ah, talaga?
Diba?
Naku, sana payagan pa ako ni Direk Coco.
Ganda na congrats kasi happy challenges ang nangyayari sa'yo. And where does the Spanish passport
Wow.
come into play? Diba? Saan nagaling yun? Bakit mo inabail?
Oo, kasi di ba nagkaroon ng amnesty yung,
Yes.
yung Spain.
Correct,
So all of like na merong mga families or kung may apelido ka na, but my dad's Spanish eh. So he has a Spanish passport. So before he passed away, parang andun yung Spanish passport. And my sister was like, sabi niya, anong gagawin natin? Sayang naman if we're not gonna avail it, diba? So we went to Spain and we learned that our grandparents are all from Andalusia. And may street pa doon, Muñoz. And Muñoz is not Muñoz. Muñoz. So,
Ay, Barcelona,
pagpunta ko
sabi
doon,
mo.
Muñoz ako. Sabi ko pa, Muñoz, no, your last name is Muñoz. Sabi ko, syempre required din na mag-aral. Kaya sabi sa akin, nung nakuha ko yung passport ko, make an effort to learn the language. Sabi ko, I am. But in my head, I'm studying Korean right now kasi nagagawa ako ng kumusta. Sabi ko, wait lang. Tapos, favorite ko naman anime, kaya nag-aaral din ako mag-Japanese. Ano ba yan? Dami na sabi ko. Na-require kami mag-aral ng Spanish. Pero pagdating ko din, parang pagkausap ko na sila. Naintindihan ko na, entiende, pero naman sa hablo, parang, pa rin, very overwhelming. Kasi, alam mo, honestly, kahit na from Spain yung papa, parang wala akong trip pumunta ng Spain, parang ano gagawin ko dun? Nagka-BTS concert. Sabi ko talaga, Austin, pupunta ako ng Spain ha. Tatawirin ko yung Dublin kasi dami namin Europe tour eh. Every year nasa may Europe tour kami. Sabi ko, bakit never ko tinawid nga ba yung Spain? Sabi ko, lagi ako sa iba pumupunta. Yun, siguro, ngayon kasi, na talaga ako eh. I leave everything to God. So maybe this is the right time for me to go there. I don't know why, but I really had so much fun. So yun, nalaman ko na, we really have a family there. My aunt lives there in Barcelona. We have a place there. So, yun, nalaman ko na taga Andalusia yung lolo at lola ko. We have, para makakuha mo yung passport ko, marami kasi silang papers na hinihingi. So, including like marriage certificate of my grandparents. So yun, na-enjoy ko sobra. Parang, wow, ito na. I am connecting to my roots. So yun siya, Mari. Enjoy sobra. Tapos may BTS pa na sa Madrid. Wala. Si V, siya, mucho picante. Yung name niya dun eh, nung concert.
Congrats!
Thank you so much, Mari.
And you're gonna have a movie.
May movie ba tayo?
Diba? Corner soon?
Niluluto. May niluluto. Oo, yes.
Yeah.
Bakit? Ano sinabi mo kay MJ? Hindi ko maalam. Ha?
Wala ba?
Meron niluluto.
That's
Meron.
nice. So ngayon na you're back in prime time, do you see yourself doing more of this? Since na-miss mo talaga, forte mo rin talaga siya.
Sobra kong na-miss, Mari, sobra. As in, pag sobrang nilook forward ko yung mga days na may taping ako, usually parang pag kunwari nagsisimula ako sa anything that I do, medyo parang nagkaka-Monday blues ako. Pero ito, talagang excited ako gumising araw-araw kasi talagang na-realize ko that this is what I love to do. And to be surrounded with talented people. And you really see sila Direk Coco so passionate about what they do. And it really inspires me. Kasi sabi ko nga some people may misunderstand that. Pero that's what this industry really needs. Discipline. Talaga. Kaya when you get there on set, and these sets of rules that you really have to obey. Ako sabi ko, okay to kasi we really need this in this industry. paano nga ba naman natin matatapatan or makaka-level man lang, you understand because you're
Yeah.
also a fan of like Korean dramas. So how can we do that? That I'm so thankful kay Direk Coco for, implementing these rules on set. And yun, nadidisiplina tuloy yung mga artista. So yun, I really look forward. I'm sad, like sometimes pag walang taping. Kasi nakasanayan na namin, magkakasama kami. And it's fun to be a policewoman. Na nasa set ako and I'm in that environment na kasi I also did Air Force. So wala, nakakamiss din talaga. So I'm grateful and I really hope this continues for a long time. Direk Coco po, marami pong salamat. May 2 years pa po ba? 3? Yeah, kakasimula pa lang nung nagde-do. Hindi naman po, kung trip niyo lang po. Pero yun Mari, I really look forward. Sana marami pa ang dumating na mga magagandang kwento. Yun na talaga yung hinihintay ko Kasi as a producer myself, we're producing movies also. Producing movies with Direk Niel Mesa. So we have our own content. And every time na may nagagawang magagandang kwento, I'm so happy. Kasi that's my job. To tell stories. And I really have to master it. This is just the beginning. I hope.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss MJ. So, who's our next? Chicanes. Dito na lang, Karen.
Sorry po.
Sorry, Mari,
Hello. Hi.
Pakwento naman yung experience mo watching the BTS.
Wala, lagi na ako nanonood ng concert ng BTS, minsan solo talaga. If not, I'm with my mom. So this time, galing ako ng Ireland kasi nga may show kami ni Piolo. Pag magkasama kasi kami ni Piolo, talagang chaotic He's my twin. So we have the same birthday, January 12. 12 years apart, but we are both dragons. Kaya sabi ko, oh my gosh, you really are my twin. Talagang my soulmate, Papa P, I love so much. So, sabi pa niya, saan ka pupunta? Ba't uwi ka na bukas? Hindi ako uwi. Mag-Madrid ako. Ang gagawin mo doon? Ano ng BTS? Ganun naman yan. Nakailan ka. Sabi ko, bakit? Walang masama. And kailan ba yung last time ko nanood? Sa Korea, nung comeback nila. I was with my mom. So this time, I was by myself. And nandun kami sa ground and I was alone. First time ko gumawa ng fan sign po. Yung tinataas nila kapag kasi may moment po yun parang may army time. Yun tawag nila. Tapos itataas mo yun, ganyan. Tapos nakita ako ni Jean. Kasi pero nakalagay doon, Jungkook. Siya yung lumapit. Alam niyo yung kanta na yung kanta nila doon basta yung nagbabasaan sila. So, tapos pinasan niya ako ng tubig. Okay, I've been blessed. Para ako na holy water. Let's go! Ang saya-saya ko. Sobrang, sabi ko, nakalagay doon sa sign ko, JK, let's open Pokemon cards together. Ganyan, watch anime, parang ganun. Kasi he also watches a lot of anime and I'm a big fan. He's watching, Cyberpunk Edge Runners. Really good. So, it was one of the books kasi first time ko nabasa ng BTS. Tapos sobrang lapit talaga ni Jimmy tsaka ni J-Hope. Iba yung happiness na nabibigay nila sa akin sobra. Alam mo, before nag-start ako maging fan ng BTS, I was going through a heartbreak. So, talagang they really saved me that time. And now, here they are again, my 7 Delulu boyfriends. My 7 Delulu husbands making me so happy again. So, it's one for the books and at least masasabi ko napanood ko sila sa Europe. So, I'll keep supporting them. I'll keep on loving them. So, watch out for more concerts.
Manonood ka rin yung yung run nila here in the Philippines.
I hope I really hope if payagan sa work. But kung possible, I would love to see them in every country. In every country, Actually, why not, di ba? Kaya lang, baka maubos na yung pera ko. Ang mahal kasi ng ticket, di ba? Tapos, syempre, may flight ka pa, yung hotel mo pa. Ala, aray ko po, para lang sa ikasasaya ko talaga. Sorry po. Mga ganito po talaga. Mga army ka po ba? Ay, hindi.
Ba't mo pinamong?
Bakit? Bakit?
Pero, ano tawag dito, the reason why I asked kung manonood ka dito in the Philippines was, kasi di ba parang sabi nila, sometimes celebrities are being provided a privilege in terms of parang access or pass, priority pass, pagdating sa mga ganyan. How do you feel about it?
I really hope I'll get the pass. But you know, this time, BTS is sold out. We won't be able to get any tickets, no? So, I don't know. I'm just really hoping I can see them somewhere else, maybe. So, wala, nagbabayad ako ngayon May concert na ang panonood next week, nagbabayad na ako. Dati libre. Talaga nga. Dati nung bata-bata ako, every week nandyan ako sa Araneta, may libre kunwari. Ngayon wala na. Bayad na. Bayad na kami. Kung gusto mo rin manood, wala nang free. Kung gusto mo na magbayad ka, kaya lahat tayo dito guys, pantay-pantay. Oo, ha? Oo, no judging. Lahat tayo dapat happy. Sinusupport ko happiness nila. At tagal ko na kasing army. Diba? Parang OG army ako na parang ang tagal ko nang kumbaga hinahabol, hinahangaan kung saan-saan. Malaki na nga ang nagastos natin dyan. So, ang ngayon siguro ganun pa rin naman po. Kung gusto ko manood, bibili akong ticket, di ba? Wala nang freebies po ngayon. Pero kung may kilala po kayo, matanggap naman po ako ng alay. Alay talaga. Thank you po.
At last na lang, konting, a little bit of intrigue lang. Kasi like recently about the Sigabo, parang some of the viewers are reacting to AI scenes of the series. How do you feel about it? Or are
Hindi ko
you...
nga hindi ako aware.
Okay, sige.
Hindi ko rin po nakita. Ako, bilib na pa yung trailer. Wow, may ito yun? Hindi ko po talaga alam. Hindi ako aware. Oh my gosh, hindi na talaga ako updated sa mga ganap. Ano po sabi? Ano po sabi? Hindi ko nga alam. Hindi ko talaga alam. Hindi ko po alam. Ano sabi nila?
Yun, bakit daw ini-AI pa?
Anong
Kahit simple
AI?
scene, like yung
Action
scene.
parang kasal nung dalawang Chinese, ini-AI pa, hindi naman action scene. Maintindihan daw nila kung action scene, pero
Well, ito lang ang masasabi ko. Because AI is gonna be part of our lives. So, for people who cannot appreciate and accept AI, may ipag-iiwanan sila. Okay, so because in our production company, we also use AI. It's a great tool to help us, kumbaga, accentuate a scene or something. But for those people who are not ready to embrace AI, baka mapag-iwanan sila. Yun lang masasabi ko. But I understand. People are still afraid of AI. But I was in an AI convention before. Sige, hindi ko na lang siguro dun na hindi ko naman ako aware na may ganong issue about Sigabo. But this is just about AI to explain further to people that, if you use it, you have to be ready because eventually, everybody can use AI na eh. So, instead na i-bash mo, hindi mo sundan, gamitin mo din because it's a really helpful tool in our everyday lives. Kailangan mo sumabay sa development ng buhay. Or else, wala, you'll be left behind. And I don't know, probably the Philippines is not ready for it, but I think it's about time. It's here, it's right in front of you. So, if you're not gonna make the most of it, walang. You'll be left behind. May ipag-iiwanan ka na ng panahon. Magka-40 na ako dahil. Kailangan, syempre, kung ano nang magpapadali ng buhay ko, minsan masakit na yung likod ko, tsaka tuhod ko. So, kailangan, whatever will make my life easier, I'll grasp into it. Thank you.
Yes. Okay ka na, Mars?
Yes.
I think it's a high time to appreciate